Standard, your computer third chapter, handling images in HTML. Handling images means carrying your images in particular file or folder in your computer. It is said that pictures is better than 1,000 words. Yes, when you can't express your words, your pictures are very much usable things to express your feelings. So images has to be stored properly. Images are added to a web page using the img tag in HTML. And for proper tag, img src is equal to rainbow.jpg. Yeah, this is the proper link to specify your image, in which file, in which folder your image is represented. You have to write that file, that folder, then only computer will search your image and it will replace that image by copying it to the web page. The src attributes provides information about location of the image. I said you first only this, that is the location of proper your image, where it is located, in which file, in which folder. The location here refers to the source of the image to tell the browser where to find the image. Yes, browser don't know where is your image, so you are writing the link properly. img src is equal to http, that is hyperlink, where your image, in which folder, in which file, in which image file it is presented. Next is alt attributes. Alt attributes along with the image tag describes the source image. It is also advisable to define this attribute as it describes the image, what it is and how to be used. And for that, img src tag is equal to rainbow bmb alt is equal to this is a rainbow. Yeah, describing the what is the image. First is src to give the source to your image, then is alt which describes your image, where to be used and what is the image, it usable form. Then comes the height and width of attributes. How should be your height and width of the, which means length, height and length, height and breadth of your image. Yes, for that img src, that is source, rainbow, see alt, what is the description, and then height and the width. First we have to describe the source, then the description of image, and then the height and width of the image. Elegant of attribute, where the elegant means where your image should be used, in middle, in center, in left elegant or in right elegant. So first source image tag, description alt tag, elegant, right or left tag. Elegant table, top, middle, bottom, left and right. Top for top image, middle means middle in the center, bottom means from down, left side or right side. Border attribute, an image on a web page should be highlighted for looking attractive. For that, first source image tag, alt, description of image, elegant, right or left, then right, and border, what inches on border you wanted, you have to describe. Then after border, your ID attributes, which helps to define your image with an identifiable mark. First source image tag and then ID, cock image, whatever ID you have to prefer. It is an identical mark given to your image by this tag. You have given border. Afterwards, you should be knowing that adding space around images. Yes, how much space you require to be given at left side and right side of your image. Image source, edge space, height space for 30 inches and width space with 10. Then your image will be particularly 30 from left height side and from width side, for downside it should be 10 inches. Then your image should be in proper middle form. Like you can see from the above side it had taken from chocolate the title, after that 30, and from down it had taken 10. Then your image is in proper middle form in left elegant. Low resolution image. High resolution image takes lot of space. So whenever you use WhatsApp, you want your memory should be less used. What you are doing, you convert your setting and goes for low resolution image, that your image should consume less memory and less your data. For that, same on computer also, you have to write low resolution image to require less memory and less space. First source image, then low SRC for low resolution. For rainbow, your memory will be requiring low space and your data will be also having low reusable form. These are the table: image, file format and description, BMP bitmap, GIF graphical interchange file, JPEG joint photographic expert group file, JPEG image file, and PNG portable network graphic, TIFF tag image file format for bitmap. When you have multiple images to be stored on your web pages, then images as a hotspot should be required to replace the first image, which should be imaged attractive on the first site. When you prepare a web page, your web page should be more attractive. For that, you should select that image which should be placed at the first level. That is called image as a hotspot. For example, you have selected images, 2 images to replace for your office or your temple. Then your images should be first of your office building and everything, and then should be the purpose of your office building. This images is for images hotspot is used, which image should be first and which image should be second, third, fourth. For images hotspot, your tag will be href big office HTML, then source image small office. First your big office means entire building, and then your small office which you are holding. Same as see, this is your description given for small office, small image of office in BMP format, small temple, a small temple of temple BMP format, big office, big image of office, big temple, big image of temple, main HTML, a file HTML code with 2 small images will you have to generate. And in big office, code is bigger image office code, and in big temple, code is bigger image office temple is required. Image map. You know, nowadays in WhatsApp, in computers, everywhere we use location to forward anyone and to give him a proper address where he has to come. That has been used in image map. When you are providing any location, you are using your Google map in computer, same as image map. For image map, you has to use a proper address should be placed in your computer to use your proper address where you are sitting and where your current location is there. For Google map, they use such addressing: office, police stations. This street will be used for giving a location, and the street, then the lane should be used, mark lane, where your entire current location is there, to give anyone the current location of your office or of your house. You generate this location currently by this tags: area space Paul codes, the code of the street and the lane, area space code first name fridge, fire bridge, and second will be for lane temple. And by clicking on this link, you will be getting the entire current position, current location of your office or your house. Linking multimedia files, you have to generate and tag href food. Follow this recipe and enjoy delicious food. Yes, for having any delicious food on Google, you are going to YouTube and have your link. This has been generated of web page. Then on clicking on that hyperlink, we get the proper recipe. Thank you so much. This is your 3rd chapter. Students, these are your question answers for 3rd chapter.